Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the NordVPN Error Code 905309. The error message reads, Authentication Error 905309, can't log in. As per our research, this error occurs when users try to log in to NordVPN. Some users have reported that even after successfully logging in through a browser like Firefox, they still encounter the error when trying to connect through the terminal. Based on our research, the error may be caused by browser-related login issues, network problems, or issues with the NordVPN app itself. To deal with the error, the first thing you should try is restarting your device along with your internet connection. Once both restart, try logging in again and check if the error persists. If you are using Firefox to log in and experiencing this issue, try switching to Chrome. Some users have reported not having the error on Chrome, while Firefox shows the error. So try logging in using Chrome and check if this resolves the issue. If the error still comes, try switching to a different internet source. If you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting through a mobile hotspot and see if this helps. Also, if you are using the NordVPN app, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Once reinstalled, attempt to log in again and check if the error still occurs. If none of the previous solutions work, wait for a few hours and try again. Sometimes the error may be caused by system-side issues, which can resolve on their own. In case the error continues for too long, then we suggest you contact NordVPN support and report the problem. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.